how to write Urdu in MS Word. This is what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. In order to write Urdu in Microsoft Word, the best option previously was available with the help of Google Input tool, but right now the Google Input tool is not available for the Windows, which means that you will have to find another software, and that alternate software is this one, which is Pak Urdu installer. You can search this on the Google, Pak Urdu installer, and then you can download the installation file. After download, you need to install the software. Follow the on-screen instructions. Wait for the installation to finish. And after the installation is complete, it will ask you to restart the computer. I would strongly recommend that you select restart, since I have already installed this software before showing you this demonstration of the installation process. That's what I am selecting. No, I will start later, but you should start the computer so that the software works perfectly. So once you are done, you can just exit out of this software and open your Microsoft Word. Okay, then now you need to open the Microsoft Word, and then within the Microsoft Word you need to select the option of the text direction, and by default it is from left to right. By clicking this icon, which is on the home screen tab, you can select from writing style from right to left. Now all you need to do is that your software which you installed, that is the Urdu installer, because of that you can see the default language English is icon is shown in the notification area. You need to click that, and then from here you need to select the Urdu language, and now you can start to write the Urdu in your Microsoft Word. I have written the word Pakistan, and you can increase the font, and if you have the Urdu font you can select that. The best one is the Jamil Noori Nastali. If it is not available in your computer, you should download it. One thing I have noticed in this Pak Urdu installer software is that it does not perfectly recognizes the keyboard, the Roman typing, meaning by that just like in Google Input tool, if you were writing in a Roman Urdu, it would understand and it would type in the Urdu manuscript. But in this case, as you can see, that it has not perfectly written the word Pakistan, and the reason is that it has a different keyboard. For that, once you will install the software, you will have a shortcut to this website which is shown on your screen now, and this website actually gives you the layout of the keyboard which this software uses, and the keyboard without pressing the Alt or Shift key, this will be the keyboard which will be used with the word Shift. These are the options which would be available, and with the word Alt, this would be available, and with Alt and Shift, these words you can write. Interestingly, you can see that you can write difficult words like Rahmatullah alayhi, Radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, and the other difficult words. You can type them easily, but the problem is that you need to get familiar with this keyboard, and only then you would be able to write perfectly Urdu in the Microsoft Word. This is not a good alternate to the Google Input tool, but this was just one option, so I thought that I might share this software with you. If you are using any software which gives the facility of Roman typing, which gives the facility of converting the Roman Urdu typing into Urdu manuscripts, you should let me know in the comment section below so that I can make a tutorial on that and share it with the rest of our subscribers. Anyways, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.